How to remove LEMON8 link on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove your LEMON8 link on your TikTok account. First is open up TikTok application and make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. What you're gonna have to do next is locate profile at the top at the lower right. And then once you're here, all I have to do next is to tap on the edit option beside your TikTok name. Now once you're here, just have to scroll down a bit and then under basic information, link is actually right there. Now it is not showing on my end for some reason, but here's how you do it. Now under links, just simply tap on add, and then on the next page, you will be redirected into the links that you've added into your TikTok account. So if you added your Lemonade link on one of your links, Lemonade should be in there. What you want to have to do to unlink it is just simply to tap on Lemonade and choose on unlink. And that's it. That's how you unlink, or that's how you remove LEMON8 link on TikTok.